take 1 egg white and 2 tablespoons of water. Pour it in a bowl. Then you're going to mix it together until it starts to get like a frothy white bubbles. Then you're going to pour in your pecans and mix them all together until till the egg white is all coated in there. Then you're going to mix 1 tablespoon of cinnamon with the sugar, and I just mixed it together in this little bowl ahead of time to make it a little bit easier. Then you're going to pour it over your pecans and get that mixed all together so everything is coated. Then you put it on your pan, set your oven to 200 degrees, and you're going to roast it for an hour, and then you have these delicious, tasty pecans that make a great gift.